So I was having a problem here. First, I had no air at all on my E-150 1988 Ford Econoline. Changed out the blower motor, changed out the blower motor resistor. Started getting air, except it was only through defrost. And if you're having that problem only through defrost, it could be a vacuum line issue. And it turned out to be a vacuum line issue right in here. You can see where that little blue little line, that's a vacuum line. That was not plugged in. There's two little holes there, and I noticed everything had been kind of disconnected and connected to this thing right here. So I had to go ahead and fix that up. So that's a vacuum line on the right side. Just if you have that problem, check that out. I'll show you some videos of what I did to fix it, but that could be your issue. So we're back. Notice there is no cruise control unit here. It's been cut. It was here. And I did pick up this little piece, and it's going to help. This is the piece that was here. It's cut from back there. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's take this, just to make it a little more clean. I'm going to cut. And we'll slip this over it. Yeah, it fits really nice and tight. That's what I want. So slip this back on here. And this other end, I'm going to slip into there and test it out and see if this fixes the problem, if I'm getting air out of the vents already, and then I can make a better connection. So I've temporarily hooked it up, as you can see. That's going to send air into there. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to try the other side. We got air. We got air. Okay, that means we can try to fix it a little more permanently. But we got air. Some heat shrink around, slip it into here. I don't know where these two connect. Okay. Where it connects in there, so that way it'll stay connected. Slip it around here. Okay. Then I'm going to just connect this to what's left, push this around close as I can, and then put some heat to it. And that way, hopefully, we'll be good to go. My thumb. Reconnected it.